Dear students, we are in MOIVRE'S theorem chapter. So exercise 2b first bit completed. In this video we are going to learn exercise 2b second bit problems. Okay, so first problem, solve the following equations. First equation is x power 4 minus 1 is equals to 0. Okay, so this problem can be solved by using I will explain two methods. So one is x power 4 minus 1 is equal to 0 can be written as x square whole square minus 1 whole square is equals to 0. This can be written as x square plus 1 into x square minus 1 is equal to 0. So this can be written as x square plus 1 is equal to 0 or x square minus 1 is equal to 0. X square is equal to minus 1 or x square is equal to 1. X square is equal plus or minus root minus 1. X square is equal plus or minus root 1. So here x is equal to so x is equal plus or minus root minus 1 is I and root 1 is 1. So therefore x is equal to 1 minus 1 I minus I or 4 solutions. That is one way, and already we have another way, that is x power 4 minus 1 is equal to 0, x power 4 is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 to the power of 1 by 4, that is fourth root of unity. So 1 can be written as in modulus amplitude form. 1 can be expressed as 1 plus 0i, right? So here modulus is 1 and argument is tan inverse of 0 by 1. Okay, so that is 0. So it can be expressed as 1 into cos 0 plus I sin 0 whole power 1 by 4. So we have the formula, that is rk plus 1 is equal to nth root of r into cos of pi plus, just denote as pi plus 2k pi by n plus I sin or cis 2k pi by n. Cis means cos plus I sin, right? So where k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. So here in this case so on n minus 1. So here this is the formula, right? So for this problem, for this problem x is equal to rk plus 1 means rk plus 1 is equals to nth root of r. Nth root of r means nth root of 1. N value, here n value is 4, fourth root, right? So cis pi value 0 plus 2k pi by 4, 2 1s to 2s. So therefore rk plus 1 is equal to fourth root of 1 is 1 cis k pi by 2, where k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. So n value 4, right? N value 4. So 4 minus 1, 3. So substitute 0. Then r1 first root, that is cis 0. Cis 0. That is cos 0 plus I sin 0, 1. R2 cis pi by 2. Cis pi by 2 means cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 1, cos pi by 2 0, sin pi by 2 1, that is I. Okay, so similarly R3. Okay, R3 is take k is equal to 2, we will get R3. So cis pi means cos pi plus I sin pi, that value is minus 1. So finally R4, if k is equal to 3, R4 is equal to cis 3 pi by 2. This 3 pi by 2 means cos 3 pi by 2 plus I sin 3 pi by 2. So cos 270, that is 0. Cos 270 is 0 and I sin 270 is minus 1, that is minus I. So finally we will get 1 I minus 1 minus I are the roots. So plus or minus 1 and plus or minus I are the 4 roots of fourth root of unity. Okay, so you can solve in any one of the methods. Next, second problem, x power 5 plus 1 is equals to 0. This can be written as x power 5 is equals to minus 1. So then this implies x is equals to minus 1 whole power 1 by 5. This type of problems already we have completed in previous video, first bit, exercise 2b, first bit, first problem. Okay, so minus 1 in geometrically minus 1 can be located at negative x-axis. So then the modulus is 1 and magnitude is 180 pi degree pi. So otherwise r is equal to under root of minus 1 square 1 plus 0 square, that is root 1 and argument is tan inverse of 0 by minus 1, that is 0, but the address, the location is here, therefore we should write it as pi. The angle is pi, so that's why we should know the geometry also. Now that can be written as, okay, otherwise we have the formula for nth roots of unity, that is rk plus 1 is equal to nth root of r into cis pi plus 2k pi by n, where k is equal to 0, 1, 2, so on, n minus 1. This is the formula, very important formula we have used. Now just substitute rk plus 1 or which is equal to x is equals to, what is the formula, nth root of r, n. Here what is the value of n? N is equal to pi, fifth root, right? Fifth root of r value is 1 and cis pi argument is pi plus 2k pi by n pi. Here k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So n is equal to 5 means 5 minus 1 means end with 4. Now first root, put k is equal to 0, first root, that is r1 is equal, fifth root of 1 is 1, cis okay, this can be written as root for fifth root of 1 is 1 into cis of 2k plus 1 into pi by 5, where k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So by taking k is equal to 0, substitute k is equal to 0 in this one, you will get r1. First root is cis pi by 5, cis pi by 5, and k is equal to 1, then you will get r2 is equal to cis 3 pi by 5. Next, if we substitute k is equal to, third root is cis 5 pi by 5. Next, k is equal to 3, cis 7 pi by 5. 3 to the 6, 6 plus 1, 7 pi by 5. Put k is equal to 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, last 4. So if k is equal to 4, then r5 is equal to fifth root of unity, means we will get 5 root. We have to get 5 roots. So cis 4 to the 8 plus 1, 9 pi by 5. These are the odd multiples of pi by 5, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, right. So these are the 5 roots of x power 5 plus 1 is equals to 0. Observe here, third root is cis pi, that is cos pi plus I sin pi, that value is minus 1. So in first bit we have completed x power 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. The answer is 1 minus 1 I minus I. And second problem, x power 5 plus 1 is equal to 0. These are the solutions. Cos 5 pi by 5 can be written as cos pi, that is minus 1. Next, third problem, important problem. It may ask for 7 marks questions also. So here this is the equation. In these two, x power 5 is common. X power 5, as x power 5 is common, here x power 4 minus 1 remaining, here 1 is common, x power 4 minus 1 is remaining. Again what is common? X power 4 minus 1 common, what is remaining? X power 5 here plus 1 is equal to 0. So therefore product of two terms is 0, means x power 4 minus 1 is equal to 0 or x power 5 plus 1 is equal to 0, right? Solve this one, that means first problem, solve this one, that means second problem. So you should solve first problem and second problem, therefore write all these solutions finally. Okay, so therefore solution set, you have to solve these two problems, first and second, then after write solution set. Okay, so it contains plus or minus 1, plus or minus 1, next plus or minus I, here minus 1 repeated, no, that's why write one time only. Next cos pi, cis pi by 5, cis 3 pi by 5, cis 7 pi by 5, cis 9 pi by 5. Okay, so these are the solutions of this problem. Okay, next x power 4 plus 1 is equal to 0, fourth problem. This is similar to this problem. Okay, solve in the same way. You will get cis of, in that one you got cis 2k plus 1 pi by 5, k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here you will get cis 2k plus 1 into pi by 4, k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is similar to second problem. Solve these problems. Next, this is very important problem for 7 marks. Sometimes they are asking this question for 7 marks. Okay, in intermediate public examination. Find all the roots of the equation. This is similar to previous problems. So given equation is that one. X power 11 minus x power 7 plus x power 4 minus 1 is equal to 0, similar to previous problem. So taking what is common in these first two terms, x power 7, what is remaining, x power 4, x power 7 into x power 4, x power 11. In these two no common, so 1 x power 4 minus 1 is equals to 0. Again what is common in these two, x power 4 minus 1 common, what is remaining, x power 7 plus 1 is equal to 0. So therefore x power 4 minus 1 is equal to 0 or x power 7 plus 1 is equal to 0. Already we have solved. You should solve here also. You should solve the problem. So first bit, second bit, first problem. So after solving this you will get the roots plus or minus 1 comma plus or minus I for this equation. Next here this is x power 7 is minus 1, x is equal to minus 1 power 7, right? So here r value is 1, okay, and the root of minus 1 square plus 1 square 1, and the pi value is pi. So the complex number minus 1 located at here, so the angle is pi. Okay, pi, don't take minus pi, it is pi. Okay, and sorry, this is not minus 1 power 7, this is minus 1 power 1 by 7, and n value is 7. So the formula for finding roots is nth root or cis pi plus 2k pi by n, where k is equal to 0, 1, so on n minus 1. So here substitute r, k plus 1 is equal to nth root, that means nth root means 7th root, r value 1, and cis pi plus 2k pi by 7, which is equal to nth root, 7th root of 1 means 1, cis of 2k plus 1 pi by 7, where k value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finally 7 minus 1, 6. So by taking 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here, so it is odd multiples, 2 into 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, that means pi by 7, next 1, 2 plus 1, 3 pi by 7, like that you will get. So therefore x is equal, here you will get x is equals to, x is equal to, what are the solutions, one is cis, first one cis pi by 7, if k is equal to 0 you will get cis pi by 7, next cis 3 pi by 7, cis 5 pi by 7, cis 7 pi by 7, 7 cancel, cis pi value is minus 1, next cis 9 pi by 7, cis 11 pi by 7, Finally, if we substitute 6 to the 12 plus 1, 6 13 pi by 7. Okay, so these are the solutions of this equation, and these are the solutions of this equation. Therefore, final solution set from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, final from 1 and 2, solution set, solutions or roots of given equation are what? Plus or minus 1, plus or minus I. So write all these 6 pi by 7, 6 3 pi by 7, 6 5 pi by 7. Don't write 6 7 pi by 7, already we have written. Okay, next 6 9 pi by 7, 6 11 pi by 7, and finally 6 13 pi by 7. So these are the solutions of given equation. This is important problem for 7 marks. Simple problem. So factorize it. So find the fourth root of unity. Those are plus or minus 1, plus or minus I, and the seventh root of minus 1. Okay. So these are the seventh root of minus 1, and finally write all those roots in one set. Second problem, find the common roots of x power 12 minus 1 is equal to 0 and x power 4 plus x square plus 1 is equal to 0. We should find the common roots of these two equations. First, find roots of x power 12 minus 1 is equals to 0. So x power 12 minus 1 is equal to 0 means x power 12 is equal to 1. This implies x is equal to 1 power 1 by 12, 12th root of unity. 12th root of unity means in this one, what is r value? R means complex number is 1, that is complex number is 1 means 1 plus 0. I the modulus of this one is 1, and the argument pi tan inverse 0 by 1 means 0, and n value is 12. So the solutions formula is roots formula nth root of r 6 pi plus 2k pi by n, where k runs from 0 to n minus 1. So this is the formula always we are using. So here x is equal to rk plus 1 is equal to nth root of r. N is 12, 12th root of r value 1, 6 pi value is 0, that means 0 plus 2k pi, 0 2k pi by n value 12, k is equal to 0 1 2 so on, n minus 1, here n value is 12, 12 minus 1 is 11, so 2 1s 2 6. Therefore roots are, in this case the roots are 12th root 1 means 1. You will get first substitute k is equal to 0, you will get 6 0. Next 6 pi by 6 1, 6 2 pi by 6, 6 3 pi by 6, 6 4 pi by 6, 6 5 pi by 6, 6 6 pi by 6, 6 7 pi by 6, 6 8 pi by 6, 6 9 pi by 6, 6 10 pi by 6, 6 11 pi by 6. Total 16 roots, 12 roots. Okay, so here if we cut it to 3s, 3 2s, 2 3s, okay, 6 cancel, 2 4s, 2 3s, 3 3s, 3 2s, 2 5s, 2 3s, that's it. So 6 0, 6 pi by 6, 6 pi by 3, 6 pi by 2, 6 2 pi by 3, 6 5 pi by 6, 6 pi 6 7 pi by 6, 6 4 pi by 3, 6 3 pi by 2, 6 5 pi by 3, 6 11 pi by 6. So in this case the roots are, here I am writing x power 12 minus x 1 is equal to 0. Then roots, what are the roots? 6 0, 6 pi by 6, cis pi by 3, cis pi by 2, cis 2 pi by 3, cis 5 pi by 6, next cis pi, that is minus cis 0 is 1, cos 0 1, cis pi is minus 1, and cis 7 pi by 6, cis 4 pi by 3, cis 3 pi by 2, which is minus I cos pi minus 1. Here this is I, and cis 5 pi by 3, cis 11 pi by 6. So these are the 12 roots. Now the roots of x power 4 plus x square plus 2 is equal to plus 1 is equal to 0. It is of the form, it is in quadratic form, that is x square whole square plus x square plus 1 is equal to 0. This is here a value 1, b value minus 1, c value 1. So here x square, it is a quadratic equation or like a quadratic equation in terms of x square. X square is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So we will get minus 1 by 2 plus or minus root 3 means root 3i plus or minus root 3i by 2. Okay, so first take x square is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2i. In case 2, you can take x square is equal to minus 1 by 2 minus root 3 by 2i. Okay, so in it can be written as x is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2i power 1 by 2 means square root. Okay, you can use square root formula, or our modulus r value is under root of minus 1 by 2 whole square 1 by 4, root 3 by 4 whole square 3 by 4, that is 1, and pi value is tan inverse of root 3 by 2 by minus 1 by 2. It is in second quadrant, so the angle is tan inverse of root 3 by minus 1. Okay, as it is in second quadrant, the angle is 180 minus theta form. So 180 minus 60, that is 120, that is 2 pi by 3. Pi value is 2 pi by 3. Okay, so similarly we can find and n value, here n is 2. So similarly we can find r as 1 and pi as 4 pi by 3, no, not 4 pi by 3, that is minus pi by 3. It is in third quadrant, right? So in third quadrant, angle is of the form minus pi, okay, plus theta, otherwise you can write it as 4 pi by 3, no problem. Okay, as it is in third quadrant, minus 1 by 2 minus root 3 by 2 point is third quadrant, you can write it as minus 2 pi by 3. This is plus 120, that is minus 120. So here the solution is rk plus 1 is equal to nth root of r, that is 1. Cis of pi plus pi means 2 pi by 3 plus 2 pi 2k pi plus 2k pi by n 2, where k is equal to 0 comma 1. Okay, if we substitute 0, you will get r1. First root is 0 means cis pi by 3. Okay, 2 gets cancelled, you will get cis pi by 3. Next, if we get k is equal to 1, then second root, that is cis 1, 2 pi plus 2 pi by 3, 2 pi is common, 2 pi by 2 is common, that is 1 by 3 plus 1 is remaining inside. Do careful simplification, substitute k is equal to 1 and simplify. So finally you will get 3 plus 1 4 pi by 3, r2 second root is cis 4 pi by 3. Okay, so in this case rk plus 1 is equal to, so square root of 1 cis minus 2 pi by 3 here, minus 2 pi by 3 plus 2k pi by 2. Okay, So k value 0 comma 1. So first root, that is R1, is k is equal to 0. You will get cis minus pi by 3. Cis minus pi by 3. So this can be written as, okay, next the second root, that is cis k is equal to 1, right? So k is equal to 1 means 2 pi is common, 2 pi by 2 is common, here minus 1 by 3 plus 1 is remaining, here plus 1 we have. So 3 minus 1, 2 to cancel, we will get cis 2 pi by 3, 3 minus 1 to 2 pi by 3. Okay, now this can be written as cis minus pi by 3 is equal to cis cis of minus pi by 3. So minus pi by 3 in the sense minus 60, right? So this is the angle. So this is equivalent to 300 degrees, 300, right? 300 means this is minus pi by 3, 300 means 5 pi by 3. Okay, so 300 angle and minus 60 both are equal. So cis minus pi by 3 can be written as cis 5 pi by 3. So here in this case the solutions are, what are the solutions? Roots. What are the roots? Cis pi by 3, next cis 2 pi by 3, in this case, after solving this problem, in this case we have got the roots are one is cis pi by 3 and another one is cis 2 pi by 3, next cis 4 pi by 3 and cis 5 pi by 3. So cis pi by, now the question is find the common roots of these two equations. So in this cis pi by 3 we have cis pi by 3 in those 12 solutions also, cis 2 pi by 3, cis 2 pi by 3, cis 4 pi by 3, cis 4 pi by 3, cis 5 pi by 3, cis 5 pi by 3. So therefore common roots are cis pi by 3, cis 2 pi by 3, cis 4 pi by 3, cis 5 pi by 3. Okay, so these four are the common roots, right? So this is somewhat lengthy method. I will explain another method which is somewhat easy method. Now method 2. So first x power 12 minus 1 first equation, this can be written as x square whole square minus 1 square. So a square minus b square, that is a plus b, x power 6 plus 1 into x power 6 minus 1. Again this x power 6 minus 1 can be written as x square whole cube minus 1 cube. This is of the form a cube minus b cube. What is the formula of a cube minus b cube? That is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, right? Substitute. So x power 6 plus 1 into, this is a, this is b, x square minus 1, then a square, x square whole square, b ab, x square into b is 1 plus 1 square. Okay, so finally we got x power 6 plus 1, x square minus 1 and x power 4 plus x square plus 1. This is x power 12 minus 1. Now observe. So the factors of x power 12 minus 1 are these three. Okay, so here this and this equations both are same. Therefore these are the roots of these equations are the common roots. By means this is the factors of this and the factors of this both are common, right? Therefore common roots of equation 1 and 2 are roots of x power 4 plus x square plus 1 is equals to 0. Okay, right. Now find the roots of this equation. So this can be written as x square whole square plus x square plus 1 is equal to 0. It is of quadratic equation form. So here x square is equal to minus b, that means minus 1 plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a, that is minus 1 plus or minus root minus 3 by 2, that is minus 1 plus or minus root 3I by 2. Now what are these? These are the values of omega and omega square, right? Already we have learned. So therefore x square is equal to 1 is minus 1 plus root 3I by 2, that is omega, and minus 1 minus I root 3 minus root 3I by 2, that is omega square. Omega is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus root 3I by 2, that is cos 2 pi by 3 plus I sin 2 pi by 3. Next omega square is minus 1 by 2 minus root 3 by 2 I, that is cos 4 pi by 3 plus I sin 4 pi by 3, which we have learned already. So this one. Next if we take x square is equal to omega and x square is equal to omega square, then this omega can be written as omega cube into omega. Omega cube is 1, right? So 1 into omega become omega. So x square is equal to omega power 4, then x is equal plus or minus under root of omega power 4. So x is equal plus or minus omega square. Next take, here we have x square is equal to omega or omega square, right? So once we take omega and omega square, so x is equal plus or minus root omega square. In this case you will get plus or minus omega. So therefore common roots are what? Plus or minus omega comma plus or minus omega square. Okay, so omega can be written as cis 2 pi by 3, omega square can be written as cis 4 pi by 3, and minus omega square. Minus omega is nothing but cis of minus of omega value minus 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 I, that is 1 by 2 minus root 3 by 2 I. So that located in fourth quadrant. So the fourth quadrant angle, we need angle, that is 5 pi by 3, so which is equal to cis 5 pi by 3. Okay, find argument. Modulus is 1, argument is 5 pi by 3, minus pi by 3 actually. So that coterminous angle is 5 pi by 3, already explained. So we will get minus pi by 3, that is 60. So from this side the angle is equal to 5 pi by 3. We can indicate it as is minus pi by 3 or is 5 pi by 3. Next minus omega square means minus into omega square, that is minus into minus 1 by 2 minus into root 3 by 2 root 3 by 2 I, which is in first quadrant. The argument is pi by 3, which is equal to cis pi by 3. So therefore these are the solutions. What? Cis pi by 3, cis 2 pi by 3, cis 4 pi by 3, cis 5 pi by 3. So this is second method, which is somewhat easy than previous method. Next, find the number of 15th roots of unity which are also 25th roots of unity. Okay, number of 15th roots of unity, and that means common. How many number of common roots are there from 15th units of from 15th unit of unity and 25th roots of unity. Okay, so first 15th roots of unity. 15th roots of unity. That means x is equal to 1 power 1 by 15. Here r value 1, pi value 0 and n value 15. In this case we will get rk plus 1 is equal to nth root 15th root or 6 pi plus 0 plus 2k pi by n value 15. Here k is equals to 0 1 2 2 14, right? So finally here rk plus 1 is equal to 6 of 2k pi by 15. K is equal to 0 1 to 14. Next 25th roots of unity. 25th roots of unity. Okay, so that means x is equal to 1 power 1 by 25. So simplify it, you will get finally rk plus 1 is equal to same pi value 0, r value 1, but n value 25. Therefore we will get 6. Here we will take another number, that is rs plus 1. Okay, here rk plus 1, here rs plus 1, that is 6 2s pi by 15, where s is equal to 0 1 2 so on. 25th roots of unity means we will get up to 24. Okay, now the question is common roots. How many number of common roots are there? Common root means what? Here and here we should have same value. Common root means here if we substitute k is equal to 0, here we will get 6 0, here also we will get 6 0. Okay, if we substitute k is equal to 1, we will get 6 2 pi by 15. If 25 n is equal to 25, right? So here we will get 2 pi by 25. They are not equal, so we should find the equal common roots. So that means these two should common root means common roots means 2k pi by 15 is equal to 2s pi by 25. So 2 gets cancelled, pi gets cancelled, 5 3s are 5 5s are. Do cross multiplication, finally you will get one relation, that is 5k is equal to 3s. 5k is equal to what? 3s. So 3s. For what values of k and s that relation will satisfy? If we take k is equal to 0, so k is equal to 0, then s is equal to what? 0. So this is one solution. And if k is equal to 1, then s is equal to 5 by 3, not there. 5 by 3 not there. If k is equal to 2, 5 2s are 10, s is equal to 10 by 3, that is not there. If k is equal to 3 cancel, then s is equal to 5, that is there. So k is equal to 3, then s is equal to 5. Next, if k is equal to 6, we should take 3 multiple, then it will get cancelled, we will get. If k is equal to 6, 3 2s are 2 into 5 10, then s is equal to 10. If k is equal to 9, then s is equal to 3 multiple only. Here we have chance, we should take. So here s is equal to 5k by 3. So k must be 3 multiple, then only it will get cancelled, we will get a whole number. Okay, right? So s is equal, if k is equal to 9, s is equal to 15. If k is equal to 12, then s is equal to 20. If there is no chance to k is equal to 15, so up to k is equal to 14. Therefore 1 2 3 4 5. Therefore number of common roots. How many number of common roots are there? 5. What are they? Substitute, you will get. Okay, that is the answer. So shortcut is, if they will ask like this, 15th roots of unity, 25th roots of unity, same question, then the answer is HCF, the number of common roots. Number of common roots is equal to HCF of 15 and 25. HCF of 15 and 25. That means 15, 25. 15 ones are 15. 25 minus 15, 10. 15. 10 ones are 10. 5. 5 twos are 10. 0. So what is the HCF? 5. So 5 is the answer. So this is the shortcut method in entrance point of view. Next, fourth problem. If the cube roots of unity are 1 omega square, then find the roots of the equation x minus 1 power 3 x minus 1 whole cube plus 8 is equals to 0. We have the one condition, that is cube roots of a are cube root of a number, real number. Cube root of a real number a are a power 1 by 3, a power 1 by 3 omega, a power 1 by 3 omega square. Real number. Okay, now given equation is x minus 1 whole cube plus 8 is equal to 0. That can be written as x minus 1 whole cube is equal to minus 8. So from this x minus 1 is equal to minus 8 whole power 1 by 3. So cube roots, therefore roots of x minus 1 are minus 8 power 1 by 3, like this, a power 1 by 3 minus 8 power 1 by 3 minus 8 power 1 by 3 omega minus 8 power 1 by 3 omega square. So therefore x minus 1 is equal to 1 root minus 8 power 1 by 3. So minus 8 power 1 by 3 can be written as minus 2 whole cube whole power 1 by 3. Minus 2 whole cube is minus 8, right? 3 gets cancelled, we will get minus 2. So once x minus 1 is equal to minus 2, x minus 1 is equal to minus 2 into omega, x minus 1 is equal to minus 2 into omega square. These values are minus 2, right? So here x is equal to minus 2 plus 1, therefore x is equal to minus 1. Here x is equal to minus 1 become plus 1, 1 minus 2 omega, 1 minus 2 omega square. So therefore x is equal to minus 1 or minus 1 minus 2 omega or minus 1, not minus 1 plus 1 here, 1 minus 2 omega square. Okay, so those are the three roots of given equation. Now find the product of all the values of 1 plus I whole power 4 by 5. Okay, so first find 1 plus I whole power 4 by 5, right? Okay, now 1 plus I, r value is 1, r value is under root of 1 square, 1 plus 1, that is root 2, and pi value is tan inverse of 1, that is pi by 4. Okay, so but we have 4 by power 4 by 5, that we should convert it as 1 by 5, power 1 by 5 means we have nth root of a complex number, means 1 by n, like that, but we don't have 4 by 5. So first convert into 1 by 5 form. So 1 plus I can be written as r root 2 into cos pi, that is cos pi by 4, I sin pi by 4, this is modulus amplitude form, power 4 by 5. So root 2 can be written as 2 power 1 by 2 whole power 4 by 5 into cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4 whole power 4 whole power 1 by 5. 4 by 5 can be written as, right? Now 2 2's are cancelled, 2 power 2 by 5 into, apply de Moivre's theorem, you will get cos pi by 4 into 4 plus I sin pi by 4 into 4 whole to the power of 1 by 5. Now 2 power 2 by 5 into 4 cancel, cos pi plus I sin pi whole power 1 by 5. Now for this we have formula. Okay, for fifth roots of unity, that is 2 power 2 by 5, fifth root of minus 1, right? So here we will get minus 1 whole power 1 power 1 by 5, and the roots are cis of the form cis of 2k pi plus pi. Here pi value is pi by 5, pi value is pi, and r value is 1 for this, as because it is minus 1. Next n value is 5. We have the formula rk plus 1 is equal to nth root of r cis pi plus 2k pi by n, k is equal to 0, 1, so on, and minus 1. So here k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 minus 1, that is 4. Okay. So therefore roots are so first one 2 power 2 by 5, 2 power 2 by 5. If we take k is equal to 0, we will get pi by 5, 6 pi by 5. Next, if we take k is equal to 1, we will get 2 power 2 by 5 into 6 3 pi by 5, odd multiple. This can be written as 2 power 2 by 5 into 6 of 2k plus 1 pi by 5, right? So that is odd multiple, means 2 power 2 by 5, 6 5 pi by 5. Next, by taking 3, 2 power 2 by 5, 6 7 pi by 5, last 4 means 2 power 2 by 5, 6 9 pi by 5. So these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 roots of the given question. Okay, but here the question is we should find the product of the roots. Now product of the roots, we should find product of roots is equal to 2 power 5 or 2 by 5. How many 2 power 2 by 5s are there? 5. So 2 power 2 by 5 into 2 power 2 by 5 into 2 power 2 by 5 is 2 power 2 by 5 whole power 5. Next, 6 pi by 5 into 6 3 pi by 5 into 6 5 pi by 5 into 6 7 pi by 5 into 6 9 pi by 5. Okay. So we have the formula 5 cancel 2 square. We have the formula 6 theta 1 into 6 theta 2. 6 theta 1 into 6 theta 2 is equal to 6 of theta 1 plus theta 2. Okay. So here 6 of theta 1, theta 2, theta 3, theta 4, theta 5. Then we can sum it. Pi by 5, 3 pi by 5, 5 pi by 5, 7 pi by 5, 9 pi by 5. Okay. So 5 is LCM, pi plus 3 pi 4 pi plus 5 pi 9 pi plus 9 pi 18 pi, 18 pi plus 7 pi 25 pi. 2 square 4, 6 25 pi by 5. 5 ones 5 5s. So 4 6 5 pi means cos 5 pi plus I sin 5 pi. So sin 5 pi value 0. Cos 5 pi means cos 4 pi plus pi. Cos 4 pi plus pi means cos pi. Cos pi value minus 1. So which is equal to 4 into minus 1 plus I into 0, that is minus 4. So the product of the roots is minus 4. Last problem of the second bit, that is sixth problem. If z square plus z plus 1 is equal to 0, where z is a complex number, prove that this quantity is equals to 12. Okay, so already we have solved about z square plus z plus 1 is equal to 0. So it is a quadratic equation. By solving, we will get z is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 3I by 2, which are omega comma omega square. Okay, already we have solved. Now once take z is equal to w, and next time take once substitute z is equal to w in left hand side part, we should get 12, and in case 2 take z is equal to w square, in that case also you should get 12 as answer. So from case 1, take z is equal to w, then what is left hand side part? Take left hand side part, not w, sorry, omega. Okay, as omega and omega square are the cube roots of unity, we have the conditions 1 plus omega square is equal to 0, and omega cube is equal to 1, omega power 4 is equal to omega omega power 5 is equal to omega square, omega power 6 is equal to 1. Okay, omega power 4 omega cube into omega, that is omega, omega power 5 omega power 4 into omega, that is omega square, omega power 6 omega cube whole square, that is 1. Already we have solved this type of problems, right? Now substitute z is equal to omega in left hand side part of given question. 1 plus omega whole square, so omega square plus 1 by omega square whole square, omega cube plus 1 by omega cube whole square, omega power 4 plus 1 by omega power 4 whole square, omega power 5 plus 1 by omega power 5 whole square, omega power 6 plus 1 by omega power 6 whole square. Okay, now omega plus 1 can be, I am writing 1 it, okay, first 1 by omega whole square plus omega square plus 1 by omega square whole square, omega cube is 1 by 1 whole square, already omega cube value is 1, right? Next omega power 4 is omega plus 1 by omega whole square, omega power 5 is omega square plus 1 by omega square whole square, omega power 6 1 plus 1 by 1 whole square. So these two are same, these two are same, these two are same. It can be written as 2 into flower bracket omega plus 1 by omega whole square plus omega square 2 times, right? Omega square plus 1 by omega square whole square plus 1 plus 1 2 square, 2 square also repeated. This is repeated twice, means 2 into flower bracket of same terms I have written. So 2 into first one can be written as omega plus 1 by omega can be written as omega cube by omega whole square. Omega cube is 1, right? So I am substituting 1 as omega. Next here also omega square, omega cube by omega square whole square. So here 1 value, here at the place of 1 I am substituting omega cube. Y means omega cube is equal to 1. 2 square value 4. Okay. Now this is equals to 2 into omega plus 1 omega gets cancelled. We will get omega square whole square. Here omega square we will get omega square cancel, omega whole square plus 4. Now 2 into 1 plus omega square, sum of the cube roots of unity is 0. From this omega plus omega square is minus 1 whole square minus 1, this is also minus 1 whole square plus 4. So 2 into 1 plus 4, this is 2 into 6 which is equal to 12, which is equal to RHS. So by taking z is equal to w omega, we got right hand side part, that is 12. So similarly in case 2 take z is equal to omega square. In that case also you will get same answer as 12. Okay, so students, these are the solutions of exercise 2b second bit. Solve thoroughly and get clarity. Okay, thank you. In the next video I will explain exercise 2b third bit problems. We may get 1 7 marks question from that video. Okay, so important video, last video.